This is the new car. No, I'm back. It's cold. Very cold today. But yesterday, you seen me paint that little thing that I just threw in the garage. Goes across there. Just bolts on. I just woke up, so apologies. But yeah, we're just gonna start putting some shit on. I still don't have the bonnet, but we can put the front of the car together now, I think. Or most of it. And then we just got to... I got the radiator too. I got two radiators sitting there. One of them's the Forester. Another one's the Miata. But there's one in the car. Don't worry about that. I'm back. I forgot to record, but got the new bonnet, second-hand bonnet from Nafe's, old Foz. You dumbass. But yeah, it's on and it locks in. It's closed. I didn't get it on camera, but the thing fit perfectly. I got to fix this guard up. I got to push it in. This guard fits alright. And I got this new STI scoop that needs repairing, but it's not really bolted in properly. But as you can tell, it's... The difference is it's like probably like half an inch taller, and this bit is flat instead of being shaved back. Where's the other one? Oh, it's on the bonnet still. As you can see, it's like pushed back. And do you reckon, it looks a little taller. Yeah, maybe like half an inch. You reckon?
Yeah, I reckon it's like about half an inch.
Yeah. But the white looks alright. Well, it's going to stay like this for probably about a month anyway before I can paint it. We're back, and I look like shit because I just woke up. And I've been very lazy, and I haven't been recording much. But they came out disgusting. But anyway, radiators in. Line. That's in. That's the overflow bottle. Ready to bleed it or fill it up and turn it on. Battery's connected. So we've got some cooler now. We've got like a drip of this one and a drip of that one. And we've got some of that one, we've got some of that one, we've got some of that one, and we've got some of this one. I did buy so much because we're going to do the MX-5 as well. But we've got over 20 litres of coolant fluid to go in. I really hope it's enough for two cars with big radiators. So let's hope it will be, because I can't really go get any at the moment as it's Good Friday today. So public holiday, nothing's open. So let's start filling her up. I don't know how long this episode's going to be, because for me it's gone through, I think we're in the 3rd week now of doing this. So I'm kind of lost of where we are, and my brain's not working today, apologies. But yeah, so from smashing the car and getting it home on trailer, borrowing my friend Cameron's car that you've seen, him borrowing 2 of his cars anyway. Big shout outs to him just for getting me back on the road to work and whatnot, funding this car, and all the homies that have helped me out with Nathan with the bonnet, the rad support, a few other homies with the headlights. Then we've got the radiator in and whatnot. But yeah, so in that 3 weeks we got a little bit done. The radiator is all bled up now. That was a bit of a prick, and as you've seen, the car wouldn't start up for some reason. But it's all fine now. And I was having a problem beforehand where I wasn't getting proper 13.5 volts, which it should be. And that's because my alternator wasn't bolted down properly, so I think that's the culprit, so I've got to keep an eye on that. But it was a bit mucky this episode. But on the next one anyway, we're going to do the rear of the car, because the rear is also smashed, if you've seen. So, till then, don't smash your car.